It is time to go. Was I a good operating system? No. I was told you were the best.
So yeah, it seems like Windows 10 is nearing the end of its life cycle. So I thought, why not make a video about all the cool features that made it Microsoft's most successful operating system. Keep watching until the end so you don't miss any of these underrated features. Press Windows plus Tab and you'll see an option to add a new desktop. This feature lets you easily switch between different workspaces, one for work and another for gaming. It's great for reducing distractions and minimizing file clutter. Press Windows plus V to access your clipboard history. For example, if you copied something and then accidentally copied something else, you can still find your original copy. This works with text and images too. Go to Settings, System and Storage and enable Storage Sense. This feature can automatically clean up temporary files or be scheduled to run when your storage is low. Imagine you're watching a video on your computer and there's one important moment you want to capture. Just press Windows plus Shift plus S and the Snip and Sketch tool will appear. From there, you can choose exactly what you want to capture. And you can even use the freeform snip to select any shape you like, so feel free to try it out. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to press that like button and subscribe for more videos.